Okay, so I have the primer is dry. It's I guess it's been drying 4 days, and now I'll sand it with the 400. I'll use a block on this part to keep it flat. I don't know if you could see, this is like this was a high build primer, so yeah, I'll use a block on the back. Be real careful around the edges. You want to just get it knocked down to where it's smooth without exposing the wood layer below. And then I'll reattach the neck. Well, I'll make sure this cavity, I'm gonna take these cavities here because I have limited space, so I don't want a lot of paint on it. I'm gonna reattach the neck. I have tack cloth. I'll hit it with tack cloth, and then I'm going to hit the top. Make sure the top's completely coated, and just a little bit down the sides on this satin Seaside. So this I'll probably let dry probably 4 days at least. I can do like a fingernail test, but I think that's about it. I'll sand this, tack cloth this. I'll probably come back when I'm coating this. This I'll probably hang the guitar a little better instead of just trying to flip it around and paint, so I can get a better coat or a more even coat than just doing it the way I did before. I'll probably hang the guitar in a different spot and do that. Anyway, see you in a sec. So I got the sanding done, 400 grit, circular motion, and then I hit it with the tack cloth. There's a couple little spots that I broke through, but that doesn't bother me. One thing that I think has been effective is I don't see the checking, not much. So hopefully we filled that checking. I know these are prone to a major amount of checking. I see a little bit more that I may need to sand here, but just lightly, and you can kind of see spots that aren't smoothed down yet. Go over it in a circular area. Yeah, because this was a high fill primer, so there might be spots where you got to get down to where you're smooth. But we're looking pretty good. We just got this one spot right here. But anyway, I'll look for other spots, make sure I have the whole thing smooth. Let's see. Yep, we about got it. But anyway, let me yeah, it's kind of put a sheen on it, and if you do the circular motion, that'll allow a bite, you know, a tooth for this to adhere to. And then, like I said, I'm gonna hang this in a different spot so I can more or less paint it hanging. And let's see, everything you do now is going to transfer into your next layer. So the better job you do now on prepping everything, that goes for every layer really, the better you fill. I think on that good filla, I should have used it a little thicker and did more of a motion to force it into the grain. But anyway, yeah, I think this is about there. Anyway, I'll see you out painting it. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick light coat over the whole thing so it tacks. Get a tacky coat on it. Let that flash off for a couple minutes, and then I'll start putting the thicker coats down. And I'll probably put, I don't know, 2 or 3 coats. I'll see, probably 3 coats, like 10-15 minutes between each coat, probably 12 minutes between each coat. So I think we got this. I blew out the cavities and everything on this. Now I'll just make sure I got it wiped down good. I got little pieces of glove flying off, so.
Make long overlapping, turn on, long overlapping passes. All right. There you go. Don't get overly rambunctious. I'm going to let this dry about 10 minutes and then hit it with another coat. Remember, only the top is going to be turquoise. The back's going to be black.